Christian new Intex Explorer X2. Pretty high tech. It's got air in it. Sorry, it's a K2, not an X2. We may or may not sink. We're about to see how much we trust the people who make air mattresses to also make boats. So here we go. Are you still floating? I think it actually floats better with two people. The sky's getting dark, so it's a good time to give up. We went down not more than a half mile from our house and back. There's lightning right there. You saw it. We saw it. We're getting out of the water. Proof positive, you can make an air mattress into a boat. With that, we'll hit ground and sign off. Sayonara.